State Fair today. Very busy again. They're actually queuing up on a Monday morning to get into the circuit. Incredible, really. The main track's really busy. There's a few riders over on the supercross track. Joe Shimoda, a few of the top boys there. We'll get some footage of them. I'll be on the vets track. At my age, I'm happy with that. As I say, vets track is exactly what we would call a big track over in the UK. I'll get some GoPro footage for that later. Well, every day before I go riding, always take my Mojo Moto CBD oil. Helps with recovery. I mean, I suffer with severe arthritis, and since I've been taking Mojo Moto, I hardly get any problems at all. It's really helped me a lot. It's available in 2 flavours, berry flavour and peppermint. Just 1 pipette a day. Let it dissolve under your tongue. As I say, it can help you with aiding recovery. Bike's looking all nice and clean. Track's been watered, almost a shame to get some muck on it today. Kerr's been doing a cracking job keeping the bikes prepped. Washing them off every day for us. Right, let's get out there, show them how to do it.
Martin, and I won this trip winning the Tiny Tablet Championship at the Grange last year. So awesome trip, really. Still can't believe I won it. Best thing I've ever won through racing motocross in 30 odd years anyway.